How to fix Instagram couldn't post stories. So if you have this problem, this video is gonna be helping you a lot. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple. So just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, go to the apps like this, scroll down and go to Instagram. And now all what you have to do here is just go to the force stop option and click on it, and then go to the open by default option and make sure that this option is on always allow. Now go back and click on the storage, click on clear data, and then go to the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Last thing you have to do is just open the Play Store and go search for Instagram, and make sure that you update your Instagram to the latest version from here. Just click on this green button and it's gonna be updated. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helping for you. See you later.